Hey there! Today I'm going to show you how to treat with stain. And the wood I'm going to use is just pine. And then, yeah, maybe future videos I'm going to use different type of wood. But these two are the same, of course, pine. But the surface, this one is smooth. This one is rough. Let's see, we're going to use the same color on them. But let's see what is the result with a different type of surfaces. So this one is a smooth one, this one is a rough one. And let's apply some stain on them. Actually, this one gonna take more stain. So I'm gonna apply with this one because I don't want to mess up my camera. Otherwise, I always use sponge or that kind of different type of sponge that you can use for these kind of treatment. But I'm gonna use this one, this pencil. It's gonna keep my camera clean. But anyway, it takes way more oil or stain than usual. And we're gonna use just once. And the whole surface of this surface with this wood. So let's wipe it off. You can just keep it longer, but I'm gonna wipe it now. Take a video. So you can see differences. You can see the differences. This one is just well finished. This one is way rougher. It takes more oil, and yeah, I don't know what kind of indoor furniture you're gonna use that one, but yeah, it gives you a rougher type because the ridges, the one, yeah, the holes inside the surface takes more oil. That's just common sense, but it's gonna look like this. So it's really important, actually, how to um, treat stain on different type of roughness on the surface, and I can even make it lighter than this by sanding it with the 240 or maybe more 360. You can get actually way lighter than this. It's up to you. So what I'm saying is, even though you're gonna have one specific color on your stain, you can have different type of color. I mean, finish the way of how light they are, how darker they are. You can get different type of black stain. So yeah, in the future video, I'm gonna show you also on the on oak, on hardwood, because yeah, it's not gonna be the same look. But let's try it. So I use different sanding grade on this board, as you can see. I don't know if you can see, but anyway, I use 4 different type of surfaces, and let's see how it works with this stain. I want to apply, and let's do it. We're gonna wipe it off. You can just wait a little bit longer, but I'm not gonna wait. Can you see the differences? This part is 240. This one is 360. This one is, I made it rough with the brush. As you can see, it's darker and has ridges. It gives absolutely fantastic, yeah, like really good Viking look. I was going to say fantastic in Danish, but anyway. And this part is just company grade. It's something that you can get it directly from the Home Depot. How the surface is, but these are the looks. You can just and the oil I use just black stain. With black stain, you can get so many. So many look. It's just beautiful. I'm gonna use other colors too, but not on this video. But I'm gonna show you the specific color I have. Walnut. Actually, is the only color you can make a lot of beautiful finish out of this. I don't know why, but walnut. I'm gonna make a video on this too. It gives absolutely nice finish on wood. So, thank you for watching.